Hi guys, welcome to my channel Braga Art, and in this video I shout out to Mr. Something New, and I want to say thank you to all my friends that always watching my videos and comment down below my videos. In these videos, I collect many 3D art painting on the road for brand. Okay, see the videos. Today, in these videos, I also collect many 3D art painting on the road. Always he painting with his skill is very nice and so amazing 3D art. This whole and next videos is painting using charcoal and add the chalk color. It is he painting like a bridge, like a wood break for through the river. And you can see the color of the water that make like real. The bridge, the water under the bridge. Wow, it's very nice. Wow. It's good skill. He's professional of 3D art. He have experience about 15 years ago. And another painting is painting like rock. What he painting now? You can see and just think what he's doing. This water, wow, very nice. Wow. Waterfall. It is waterfall on the road, not waterfall on the mountain, just on the road. 3D art block. One, two, three, go! Oh wow! Something cute. So amazing! Wow! He's painting another place in his house. Another bridge. He can also painting on the road and in the house and on the wall, something like that. His skill so amazing. Wow. Like a fish pond. Very nice. Have some fish underground. Okay. He painting a cycle and pan. Add some color. Good painting. Like a mountain. Wow. It is this a volcano mountain. Oh my god. Okay. Again, he come in his house and make different 3D. You can see it looks so real. I don't believe that. His skill so amazing. Oh, come here again with another painting, another art. Any idea? Some place is the same place, but different idea, different art. Wow, so nice. Charm. Wow, be careful, guy. Come again in his house and making a step. Jumping. He play like a playground. Looks so happy. Regret. Play with his mom. Okay, in this video it's finished. Goodbye guys, see you again.